Welcome to the Schiller Tuning WinOLS Diesel Remapping Course. If you are tired of generic tuning tutorials that only show which maps to change, this course is designed for you. Our goal is to teach you how diesel ECUs actually work, how torque-based calibration strategies are built, and how professional tuners create reliable and repeatable tuning files using engineering principles, not only guesswork. What you will learn throughout this course, you will learn diesel ECU fundamentals and injection systems, EGR, DPF, and SCR system operation, ECU remapping principles and tuning workflow, WinOLS software from beginner to advanced level, map identification and analysis, Bosch EDC 15, EDC 16 and EDC 17 tuning strategies, AFR and smoke limitation calculations, fuel quantity calculations, air mass calculations, torque-based diesel tuning logic, torque monitoring strategies, power and torque estimation methods, safe and reliable tuning procedures. By the end of the training, you will understand not only how to modify the maps, but why those modifications work. Included training materials. One of the biggest advantages of this course is that you do not learn from theory alone. You will receive original ECU files used in the lessons, plus the map packs, and this allows you to follow every lesson using the exact same files demonstrated by the instructor. Real workshop experience. Everything taught in this course comes from real tuning projects, and the lessons are based on actual customer vehicles, workshop, procedures, dyno testing experience, and professional calibration workflows. You will learn how professional tuners analyze ECU data, build tuning strategies, validate modifications, avoid common tuning mistakes, create safe and reliable calibrations. Flexible learning options. Every student learns differently. That's why Schiller Tuning offers full course purchase or individual per lecture purchase. You can start with a specific topic and later upgrade to the complete training program. Lifetime access and support. When you enroll, you receive lifetime course access, direct support from our instructors, access to continuously improving training materials, and you will benefit from future course updates for free. Learning does not stop after purchasing the course. We continue supporting our students as they progress through real tuning projects. If you want to move beyond map packs and learn real diesel ECU calibration engineering, this course is designed for you. Visit schillertuning.com to explore the full curriculum, preview lessons, and start your learning journey today. Schiller Tuning, real ECU calibration engineering.